Okay, now we are ready to dive into the actual content in the course. This video is to give you an understanding of this section 1 set of videos, what you'll be looking at, what you'll be working on, where to spend the most time, a notebook. Let me go here. A notebook in the Python course here. So each video outlines each of these lessons, and there are 7 lessons. There's actually 8 videos over the course of this whole section because one of the videos helps you understand how to navigate the exercises. So for each of these lessons in Kaggle Python course, there's a complementary exercise which you're not required to do, but it could help solidify knowledge or help you write a bit of code if you'd like to get that experience and do a little bit better in a sense. These Kaggle courses were developed by various data scientists, which are experts in these communities. So in this particular one, Colin Morris is the data scientist that created this. They say here that it should take 5 hours to complete this over 8 lessons. I found that just to watch the videos and to cover each of the lessons takes far less time than that. In fact, it takes less than 2 hours, but they're factoring in the doing of the exercises as well. And like I said, exercises are something that is going to help you solidify your knowledge, but you can pick up you can be exposed to enough of what's going on just by watching the videos and doing the tutorials. Where it comes into play is later in your group projects where you're going to want to do some of these techniques on your own data set, and you or somebody in your team is going to have to figure some of these things out. That's where exercises can be helpful if some concept is not fully solidified in your mind. A lot of you that already have a bit of Python momentum, these courses are going to be really easy because you've already been exposed to a lot of these concepts. Those of you that have never coded before, this stuff is going to start relatively slowly, but it does cover a lot of ground in one section.